This video will focus on the superposition of forces and electric fields. Keep in mind important details such as using the square law, converting units, ensuring the calculator is in degree mode, and distinguishing between force and field. Remember to only use the sign of the charge for direction, not in the magnitude formula. The transition from force to field is important. Force is the interaction between two charges, while the electric field is a property generated by one source charge. Field points away from positive and toward negative charges. Let's work through a problem. We need to find the net electric field at point P, which is an empty corner of a rectangle with 2-point charges, Q1 and Q2, at the other corners. The given data includes the charges, distance, and Coulomb's constant. Step 1 is to calculate the magnitudes of the electric fields from Q1 and Q2. For Q1, the magnitude E1 is 450 n²c, pointing away or down at P. For Q2, the magnitude E2 is 800 n²c, pointing toward or right at P. Step 2 is vector construction. E net equals 800I minus 450 jn/c. Step 3 is finding the resultant magnitude, which is 918 n/c. Step 4 is finding the direction, which is -29.4 degrees.